Hey, how's everybody doing? Mike here, Gen X Arcade. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hook up your Bluetooth adapter with the USB plug and also how to sync your Bluetooth controllers to your mini PC. So this is how your Bluetooth adapter is going to show up. It just has a USB plug on it with the antenna. Make sure you screw the antenna in properly. And we're just going to go plug this into an available USB port on the back of our mini PC. So you can see here, I've got the computer mounted here, and I'm just going to plug this into one of the USB ports that's on the bottom here. It doesn't really matter which one you use. And at this time, you got to make sure that your PC is turned off. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it on. So once your system has booted up and you can see that you're in the menu selection screen, you can push the player number 1 start button. This is going to pull you into main menu. And you're going to scroll down to where it says Controllers and Bluetooth Settings. Hit the A button to select. And we're going to go down to Pair Bluetooth Pads Automatically. Once you select that, it's going to start searching automatically. So we're going to hit the A button so it starts searching. Now we're going to turn our controller on by holding in the Start button and the X button at the same time. And when you do that, you'll see these two lights start to flash. Turn it around and hold in this little button here for 3 seconds. This is your sync button. Once you hold that in, you'll see these buttons will start chasing. That means that this is now in sync mode, and your mini PC should pick up on your controller any second now. And there you go. It says trusted, and it's got the name of the controller. It's connected. Now, if you have 2 of these, you have to pair the second one the exact same way that I just did it. You do not need a second USB Bluetooth adapter. That one will work perfect for both. So if you have another one of these that you need to pair, just put this one down and go grab the other one and do the exact same thing. Now, the last thing that you need to do to make this controller work is you have to pair it, because the computer doesn't know what you want these buttons to do. So we need to tell it. So we're going to stay in the same menu, but we're going to go up to the very top section, which is Controller Mapping. Hit the A button for that, and just select OK by hitting the A button. This says 3 gamepads detected. So the one that you want to map, make sure you have it in your hand and hold down the A button on it. Okay, we are now in mapping, and we have to follow everything here to a T. So your first button is going to be A, then B, X, Y, start, select, D-pad up, D-pad down, D-pad left, D-pad right, left shoulder, right shoulder, left analog up. That's this right here. Left analog left. Right analog up, right analog left. Left trigger, right here. Right trigger, right here. Left stick press, right here. Right stick press, right here. And hotkey is always your select button. That's the one next to start. So hit select. Now you're done mapping. Hit A to exit. Now you hit B to exit, and B again. Now you're back to your main menu, and you'll notice that your controller is going to work now for selecting games. However, it's not going to work in your game until you actually select that that's what you want to use. So now I'm going to show you how to select this controller to be used in a game. So you hit the start button again to pull up the main menu, and we're going to scroll down again to Controller and Bluetooth Settings. We're going to come all the way down here to, see it says P1 controller. Right now it's set to default. So you want to hit the A button on that, and it's going to give you the controllers that are available. And you're going to scroll down to the name of your controller, which this one is the 8BitO SENS 30 Pro. Now, if you have 2 of these mapped, you'll see another one with basically the same description, but it'll be like number 3. So it'll be player 1 and player 2 controllers. So you want to use that one. Select A, and you'll see now that that has been selected. Now, everything that you do on here is where you do all of your work, all of your gameplay. And once you've done that, just keep in mind that all the controls that are on here are going to do everything. Your controls here don't do anything at all. To put back the way that you had it, you just do the exact same thing that we did before. You hit your start button, go back into controls, and you just set your controller back to where you were originally. And then you'll see you're back to normal. And that's how you do it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to shoot me a message or give me a call. So that's it for this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. We'll see you guys next time at the arcade.